Welcome to the Elena Mountains.
200-year-old key-ready mountain house. 3,000 square meters of land, mountain views bordering the forest that is full of mushrooms, berries, and deer. Loads and loads of deer. 61-meter borehole. And if you think that boreholes are boring, just check how much drilling 61 meters towards the center of the earth is going to cost you. This is where the value is at. And here's the basement where all the magic happens. Your reservoir, your pump, and your triple filtration system. And you have half a dozen fruit trees in the garden. Free walnuts for life. Just check the views from your land. "200-year-old living room, painting and wiring aside, all original. And that Elena stone, the best in the country." And check out that fireplace. Rewired throughout. Brand new bathroom. Spend a penny or a euro cent in style. And I just can't get enough of that stonework. Don't water in VT. We've got two lovely sunny bedrooms with amazing views over your 3,000 square meters of land. Out over the forest and onto the mountains. And a hot offer exclusive to Bulgariadirect, a free vintage pechka, restored by Burty's Bulgarian burners, an English craftsman keeping these Bulgarian beauties burning. Brand new floors throughout. And these new windows, mission impossible to find. We had to drive to Edirne in Turkey to get these from quite possibly the last man in the Balkans who's still making them. Treasure them, seriously. Brand new kitchen, all made to order, just down the road at our home base in VELIKO. Cooker, hob, the whole shebang, all brand new. New tiles, and the bathroom door has been ordered, hang in there. And sure, you can find cheaper properties elsewhere, but then again, there's VT, and there's VELIKO. Easy 10 minutes into Elena, the mountain capital, and 20 minutes to some other place. Welcome to Europe's poorest country. Everybody is just desperate to leave. Today, we're in just another poor, deserted, god-forsaken village. Cheap, crumbling houses no one wants to buy. Rajevci, together with Srednji Kulebi and Iluvci, recently joined forces as a tri-village under one mayor. Here in your village, you've got a handful of hotels with amazing swimming pools. You have a bakery that serves the best panita in the region. And in your village, you have two superb restaurants. And the Bulgarian Sculpture Academy. And of course, Stonehengevo. Yes, that's the original, not the fake one in England. Meet Volchan Voivoda. He used to live here in your village. He looted a whack load of precious metals. No, he wasn't a gypsy. He was more of a Robin Hood type of a guy. He took Bulgaria's riches back from the Ottoman and built schools and loads of cool stuff. And by the way, I'm open for invitations for a housewarming party any day. Bye.